Hi crafty friends, welcome to Artfully Creative on YouTube. Hey guys, I thought I'd share with you my latest memory decks and how I'm filling this up and how I'm using this. And I did show you guys a process video on this divider card, but this memory decks is for the cards that go with my Bible study for January, and that's this study by Havilah Cunnington, and it's I Do Hard Things. So it's a Bible study to break free of fear and pain. And I'm through up to date, which is day 11. So I believe that there's 15, so that's 5 days a week for 3 weeks. Yeah, 15. So there's the last one. So what I did was I created the front card, and this front card is made with crepe paper Merry Days, and I created a template so that I could make the bottom portion, and then this poinsettia I machine stitched around all the layers, and then this is a Target Dollar Spot wood veneer and a Merry Days punched piece for the center. And I have another divider card that just has, it's a vellum pocket, and then I stitched on a cardstock base, and then there's 3 tags in here and a yarn bow tied onto a blush colored paper clip. These tags are all from Merry Days, and you can journal on the back. Those back later. So then I divided these by each week. So the first divider has days 1 through 5, and I did the scripture and then the takeaways. So it's scripture and takeaway for days 1 through 5, and then there's the second divider card, and I will put up a process video for this one. You can hear it's a shaker. So I stitched an acetate that's filled with these holographic and clear sequins. This acetate is from American Crafts. And this base is created with the Merry Days card pack. And then there's a Dollar Tree snowflake and a washi tape rosette, which if you go, the previous 2 videos on my YouTube channel have a tutorial for how to create these rosette washi tape rosettes. Then I have a Merry Days die cut, and this tool is from Frank Garcia, and I like that, if you guys can see, it has gold filed stars, so I really like that. And then there's a Merry Days die cut and a sticker from Merry Days. If you don't have foam, what I do is just punch like 6 or 7 cardstock circles, and then that way you can pop that up, and then a Merry Days button. So that's the second divider, and that houses the second week, so days 6 through 10. And then the third divider is going to have the third week, and that'll be finished. So I just wanted to share how I'm using my memory decks or Bible decks and how it's looking so far, and about how much you can get in each one. Now, I'm just bulking up the divider cards, and then these are pretty utilitarian. I just stamped a large number 5 from Studio Calico along with this kind of mesh. And the reason I did that was because it kind of goes with the graphics that are in the Bible study. I'll show you here. Like this. See how it has some words and then this stamped block here, or stamped that graphic. So that's kind of what I did on these cards. And you can also write on the back. So I kind of stamped a little bit in blush ink just to keep it all coordinated. And then on some of them I wrote, wait, what did that say 5? Oops, I put that in the wrong spot. So okay, and then some of them I hand lettered the takeaway. So that's just hand lettering, but with a Tombow Food and Asuke, and then I hand lettered the January. So it says January 1, January 2 through 5. So thanks for joining me. I'd love it if you'd like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for joining me. Bye.